Hi all, today I am going to take the topic on Hadoop ecosystem. So we can look into it. The Hadoop ecosystem is a collection of open source software, tools, and frameworks designed to store, process, and manage and analyze vast amounts of data in a distributed computing environment. It was inspired by Google's MapReduce and file system and developed to address the challenges of handling the big data, especially it is concentrating on the big data analysis. So big data to handling the big data efficiently and more cost effectively. In terms of Hadoop ecosystem, we have some components like HDFS, Yarn, MapReduce, Spark, Ping, etc. So we can look up to it more. And HDFS, it's a file system, and HDFS is a distributed file system that stores large data sets across clusters of commodity hardware, and it is designed for reliability and scalability and fault tolerance, and also it's used for intensive distribution and etc. So in terms of yarn, it's mostly concentrating on cluster management. It provides resource management capabilities for scheduling and managing tasks across the clusters. That means it is responsible for managing the resources and scheduling applications running in the Hadoop cluster. So it's also help us to schedule the jobs to ensure resources are efficiently and minimizing. It also minimize our waiting time. And in the next as a next component, we are going to look up the MapReduce. So in terms of MapReduce, it's a processing framework. That means it's a programming framework for distributed processing of large data sets on clusters of computers, and it is highly scalable. It provides a highly scalable and fault tolerant way to process and analyze data on Hadoop clusters. And also MapReduce enables efficient data manipulations. That's the main thing we want to mention. And the transformation and aggregation in batch processing mode, and so logical analysis also there supports a wide range of logical analysis. And as a next component, we are going to look Spark. It's mainly concentrating on distributed processing engine. That means it's a fast and general purpose distributed processing engine that supports various data processing types such as batch processing, real-time streaming, and graph processing. And it is also giving us more scalability, high-level APIs like in Java, Python, and other optimized engine that supports general execution graphs. So data sources, and also there we can see Sparks also supports a wide range of data sources such as SDFS, HBase, S3, etc. And more on it's all it's good for our complex data processing. That's the main thing. So as a next, we have big and it's like data processing. High level data processing. Apache Ping is a high level platform for creating MapReduce programs such as programs used for analyzing large data sets, and it provides a language called Ping Latin, which is used to write complex data analysis tags in a simple manner. So Apache HIve is data warehousing tool for large data stored in the Hadoop, and it is efficiently and easily we can it's also help us to use our complex data types or data sets in a simple manner. And in terms of HBase, it is I think it is SQL database. I mean, HBase is distributed NoSQL database that provides random real-time read-write access to big data, and it has also its very scalable, can store and process billions of rows and millions of columns on Hadoop clusters. As a column, its base organizes data into column families, which is we can together and can be accessed together for efficiently. Next, we can look up to the machine learning libraries, that is Mahout and Spark. It's a distributed machine learning. Apache Mahout provides a set of scalable machine learning algorithms for collaborative filtering and clustering and classifications. So scalable algorithms, Spark Emblem, that means the machine learning libraries provides scalable machine learning algorithms for classification, regression, clustering, and collaborating filtering. It is tightly integrated with Spark, and we can scale up to large datasets. So these all are helpful for analyzing or for classifications, especially for the large datasets or complex datasets. So in terms of next we can see the Apache drill as an SQL on everything. I mean, Apache drill is a schema-free SQL query engine designed for big data exploration on clusters of commodity hardware, and it supports various data sources. That's the main advantage. So it supports various data sources such as HDFS, MongoDB, JSON, etc., and unified SQL interface to query data in these different sources using ANSI SQL. So it also allows querying of self-describing directly into the original format. Next is Zookeeper. We see Flume coordinating the ecosystem. Zookeeper is a distributed coordination service that provides a centralized source of configuration and coordination for Hadoop applications. Next, OIC means it's a workflow scheduler for Hadoop that allows users to create and manage complex workflows of Hadoop processing tasks. Fluent scope data ingestion. So Fluent scope data ingestion tools that allows users to easily bring external data sources into our for processing and analyzing complex data sets. And it's a next we can helpful for the search and indexing, that is Slur and Lucini. I mean, so it's a search platform. Apache Slur is a search platform that provides distributed, fault tolerant, and highly scalable search engine for indexing and searching large datasets. Search library, I mean, Apache Lucene is a high performance search library that provides powerful search capabilities of indexing for indexing and searching that text-based data. And last, Ambari, I mean Hadoop management. Hadoop Apache Embrace is the web-based tool for managing, monitoring, and securely maintaining Apache Hadoop clusters. And it's also have a interface that is easy for our use. It provides a intuitive web-based interface for managing Hadoop clusters, making it easy for system administrators, especially, and developers to deploy and manage Hadoop applications and infrastructure. So